Welcome to the One-Time Close Land and Home Construction Loan Podcast, where your custom-build success story starts here. I'm Jim, your trusted guide for one-time close construction loans. Today we're diving into the real risks you face when trying to manage your own project and why only licensed general contractors get the green light. I'm joined by Keith, a recent borrower whose home build was a victory from blueprint to move in. Keith, thanks for joining us.
Jim, it's great to be here. We couldn't have asked for a smoother experience. Honestly, talking to you guys changed everything for us. People need to hear what makes these loans so different.
Absolutely. Today's show is your reality check if you've ever thought, I'll just run my own build, save a pile of cash, and finish faster. We're here to help you avoid the tens of thousands of dollar change order trap, 9-month overruns, and even lawsuits that can shatter your dream. There's a reason we require a licensed builder for our one-time close construction loans.
That whole I'll do it myself idea, it sounds good on YouTube or on TV, but wow, the risks you showed us were real. We almost made a huge mistake before we called.
Let's get into those risks. First, the infamous change order trap. When you manage your own build, even a few minor changes can spiral out of control. Suddenly, you're drowning in tens of thousands of dollars worth of unexpected costs, chasing down more money, and watching your budget explode. It's brutal.
I have a buddy who saved thousands by running his own build, or so he thought. He ended up 9 months late. He had to refinance his loan, costing him money he didn't have to keep the project going. So much for his savings by being his own builder. Every time a sub missed a deadline or something changed, it set the whole job back. He lost sleep, his 401k, and tons of money.
That's the reality. And Keith, let's talk about one of the toughest landmines: subcontractor management. Too many first-timers think it's just calling the plumber and the electrician. It's not. You end up with the full weight of scheduling, tracking, and quality control for every trade on site. When you manage all those subs yourself, you get missed deadlines from flaky crews, poor quality or rushed jobs, subcontractors walking off the job unexpectedly, scheduling chaos. If one person is late, everyone's delayed, huge headaches arguing over contracts, payment and responsibility, and the risk of legal and safety issues, especially if anyone's not licensed or insured. Having a licensed independent third-party general contractor as your project quarterback means subs are managed, deadlines are enforced, trades stay coordinated, and everything is handled safely under strong contracts.
That hit home for us. I watched my neighbor line up subs by himself. The plumber was 2 weeks late, then the drywall got pushed, and then his foundation guy just disappeared mid-job. Because things were not done, he couldn't pass his construction draw inspections, so he was having to get cash advances on his credit cards to pay off the subcontractors or they were going to walk out on him. It was a real mess. Meanwhile, our GC had relationships with reliable people. Every step was smooth, and when something needed fixing, it was taken care of right away.
Exactly. That's why we make it clear we only approve loans where a licensed general contractor is in charge. It's about protecting your dream, on time, on budget, and without disaster. And when you get our one-time close construction loan, everything is transparent. No hidden admin or lender fees at closing. The first 7 draws even include inspection costs, so you aren't scrambling for surprise cash.
That's what impressed me. Our closing was simple. No last-minute money grabs or oops, you owe thousands more shocks.
Most folks don't realize this, but you have the option to have your interest payments during the build rolled right into the loan during the build. That means more money in your pocket while you build.
And there's that little thing called the contingency reserve. You guys built in extra, so when our lumber went up, I didn't need new approvals or stress. It saved us from having to go back to the bank and do a costly refinance of the entire project.
Most lenders demand you put up a huge 10% contingency at closing on top of your down payment, turning low down promises into a nasty bait and switch. With us, when we say low or no down, we mean it. Let's not forget the peace of mind of our rate cap guarantee and free rate float down. If rates go down before move-in, you score the lower rate. If rates go up, our cap covers you. you always move in with the best deal available.
So a friend of mine locked in early with another lender and paid costly extended non-refundable extended lock fees. Now he's stuck paying way more each month than us. Your free float down feature, honestly, it saved us a lot.
That's exactly what we want for every borrower. Maximum savings, zero gotchas. And hey, just remember, our loan amounts start at $200,000 and up. Different programs work for different credit levels. Just give us a call and we'll talk through your options. Let me pause right here. If you're even thinking about building your own home and you don't want a train wreck, call us now at 888-857-8041. Don't let subcontractor chaos or cost overruns ruin your dream.
And I have to say, Jim, having a real pro handle the headache of lining up subs, keeping schedules, and protecting us with proper contracts, that's what makes your process a no-brainer. Seriously, listeners, don't try to self-GC your own project. Pick up the phone and call them.
I appreciate that, Keith. That's what gets people home faster and safer. So let me just sum up. Licensed builder, smart one-time close loan, no admin fees or hidden charges, no chaos with subcontractors, and yeah, true control over your costs and finished timeline. For more answers, you can check out our blog posts linked below the video, or, even better, get a free consult when you call us at 888-857-8041.
That first call changed everything for us, and it can for you too. Don't lose your opportunity. Talk to the experts who have your back.
For more helpful videos on how we can help you achieve your dream home, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, put your questions below in the comment section. And don't forget to call us at 888-857-8041.